French IT behemoth Capgemini, who gave hikes recently to 84,000 employees of grade A and grade B, are again in the news, but this time on the wrong side. What happened? Watch the video to gain complete insights. Hello and welcome back to your own channel Career Swami, which helps you with your career journey. If you like what you see, then please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to receive future updates. Capgemini has asked its employees to not take a single leave till end of June. Any deviation from the directive will attract pay cut. Company authorities have alleged the plight of those who haven't been assigned to any projects, employees who are sitting on bench, is very different. Where Capgemini has started cost cutting measures, employees on bench are forced to apply for leaves starting from 7th of April till they have available leave balance, with the reason is vacation. How funny is that? Employees being forced to take leave with reason is vacation. Is this how vacation is supposed to be? Also, employees working from home are receiving calls 3 to 4 times every day to apply for their remaining leaves during the lockdown. You can check the content of the email on your screen. After several employees complained to National Information Technology Employees Sena or NITES, they sent a notice to Capgemini against this unethical action and demanded action from the government. The founder president of NITES said central and state governments are trying to protect the employment and wages and salaries of the employees. Capgemini and its management are in complete defiance of the mandatory legal provisions, and they have acted illegally by enforcing such leave policy to deduct wages by forcing employees to apply leave without payment. Letters and messages were also shared with Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray, Labour Minister and Labour Commissioner. Labour Commission also took a note of this situation, and Assistant Labour Commissioner Sameer Chauhan has issued a strict notice to Capgemini wherein they have been asked to stop cancelling leaves of employees during the lockdown phase. If they fail to do so, then under section 15 of the Disaster Management Act 2005, Capgemini can face severe action. Labour Commissioner has also asked to give names of all the employees whose salary can be affected due to Capgemini's enforced leave policy. Labour Commission has reached out to the company stating all the norms that need to be followed during a pandemic and informing that employees' salaries should not take a hit. While companies are definitely struggling to maintain their profits and keep the business on the same momentum as it was before coronavirus scenario, but adapting to such measures during difficult times such as the current pandemic, how fair is that? What do you guys think? What are your views? Do let us know in the comment section. We wish and hope that we come out of the current difficult times soon. Thank you for watching and best of luck in what you are doing now or what you would like to do. Friends, we have launched our new book with the title Cracking the Job Interview. This book can convert your rejection to success at job interviews. The book will benefit any present or future job seekers across any industry and domain. The book is available across all countries on Amazon. Also, you can read this book for free by subscribing to Kindle Unlimited Trial. Please check out the description for more details. Thank you once again.